We are excited to be offering business tools and systems to small business owners and large companies around the Houston area. We definitely are helping individuals increase their sales by 300%, decrease their sales cycle, and increase their retention.
Our goal here at the workshop is to educate, consult, and inspire you to take your business to the next level using social media marketing, using video marketing, email marketing.
I'd just like to say thank you to Ms. Sandra Flores, who has introduced two powerful tools to our agency, which is definitely having a positive impact on our revenues and our bottom line.